How to find the right car soundproofing shop to make money spent worthwhile. Spend your money wisely to get the best noise reduction effect after car soundproofing. Car Comfort Shop, as Malaysia #1 car soundproofing specialist, has a policy that customer satisfaction is our first priority. If customers can be satisfied with our materials quality, workmanship and noise reduction effect after installation, it will be the key for us to meet their requirements. Over the years, we have proved that. First, we can provide the best quality materials that are durable and effective in the car soundproofing. Second, we gain our experiences from over 16,000 cars that already do soundproofing in our shop. This makes our workmanship to be perfect and professional. Third, we develop 21 noise reduction solutions that can effectively reduce the noises in the car after installation. Lastly, we prove the results with our unique noise measuring reports that we don't just use the words to state the results. Because of these, the noise reduction effect after installation in our shop will have the effect that you certainly can feel and notice it. At the end, the money you spend will worth it without any doubt. If there is no effect after installation, even $1 you spend, it is not worth it at all. So, why spend your hard-earned money that you may not be able to know the result at the unprofessional car soundproofing shop? Visit our shop to know more about car soundproofing before you do it. Spend your money wisely and worthy, or you may regret it later.
Jom visit ke CCS.
Visit Car Comfort Shop for more info.